Imagine being at your event and you have your DSLR mirrorless camera and you also have the Snapic software, and you can go around the event taking photos and then airdropping them with the filter or overlay that you set up on Snapic, just like you would with a photo booth, but you're mobile with a high-end camera. That would be amazing. So I got that idea from actually Snapic because they were promoting the concept of the DSLR plus the phone on the top, and you are able now to airdrop and text message right away, which is pretty badass. One thing that I was struggling with is that I tried numerous cables, right? And my iPhone 13 was not picking up my DSLR camera. So today I spent a couple hours over at the Apple store, and that I ended up buying this USB camera adapter, right? And I attached a USB to Type-C right over here. And finally, victory is ours, guys. So it's picking up the actual DSLR Canon R7, which is awesome. So now I have to return this to Best Buy, and I'm gonna keep this that I purchased over at the Apple store. And I just wanted to show you guys, if you're interested in doing the same thing and really enjoy the concept, I want to save you a ton of time from shopping on Amazon and going around trying to troubleshoot. And all you really need, guys, if you're using like an iPhone, say for example, iPhone 12, 13, 14, just get yourself this adapter right here, this Lightning USB camera adapter, connect it to the camera. And what's cool is you can actually attach another cable right here and you can power on and charge your I'm at a loss for words. You can connect this port right here to your phone so that your phone can charge while you do that, but that's actually not going to work because you don't want to be walking around with a bunch of cables. Now, speaking of cables, this cable was just for testing purposes. This is the cable that I use for my iPad Air. So now I need to find a very short cable, maybe I wouldn't say like a 12-inch cable or something smaller that I can have from here connected directly to my camera, because this is just not sexy. We don't want things dangling all over the place. It looks kind of sloppy. So what else can I share with you guys? So one cool thing though about Snapic and my DSLR camera here is that I can connect this cable right here, Type-C to Type-C. So this will go on my iPad Air 5th generation. And then this end will go right in here onto my iPad, my DSLR camera, and it works right away, which means that I can use this as an actual photo booth and mount it on a tripod or on a photo booth shell, or I can use it for my 360 booth and just mount it onto the arm and get the highest quality videos that to this day the iPhones cannot match. So just wanted to share this information with you guys, and also encourage you to join the Patreon page where I'll be sharing more insights with you guys. I'll see you guys there. Please like the video because, you know, I'm trying to put out information that's going to bring value to your life. And then that's the case, please like the video. I'll see you guys on the next one. By the way, I almost left out the pricing. This is about 40 bucks. When I spend money nowadays, guys, I just see it as investing. As long as it's going into the business, it's an investment. I know it comes off as an expense and you can write it off at the end of the year, but truly, it definitely is an investment. Invest in yourself. I'll see you guys later. I'm going to leave the link to the Snapic software in the description box below, where you guys can get 10% off if you sign up for a Snapic membership. Peace out.